Hello, I'm Maggie Beer. I've had the privilege to meet so many amazing cooks and chefs in aged care. They're some of the hardest working people I know. They care so much and they want to deliver better quality food and dining experiences for older Australians. Food is the future of aged care, and this is the time when we can bring about change. We need to get together as one to discuss the issues and find the solutions to support cooks, chefs and carers in their roles. Think of how wonderful it would be if there was a shared responsibility from the board, the management, right throughout the entire organisation. We need the excitement of a collaborative vision to drive us forward and make the changes that we all want, because no one can change a culture without support. We've gathered a team of experts to share knowledge and ideas in this important training series. And we're asking you to join us in our mission to empower and support the cooks and chefs, to give them the skills, as they are the ones that can make the biggest difference. And that's what we all want to see. Invest in your staff, invest in the well-being of your residents, and invest in this training series. There is so much work to be done, but the journey is so exciting.